Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to return Bluetooth icon on Taskbar. We will start by clicking on the taskbar. You can view that the Bluetooth icon is not visible. After, click on Start menu and open Settings. Here, go to the Bluetooth and Devices section. After this, click on Devices. Now at the bottom, click on More Bluetooth Settings options. In the pop-up window, check the box, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Click on Apply and OK. You can see that the icon is now visible on the taskbar of Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.